present to you 201 candidates for junior high school completion, of which 87 are males and 114 are females. I certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the academic requirements for their junior high school certificate. Sir, I have also present to you 103 candidates for senior high school graduation, of which 49 are males and 54 are females. I certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for their senior high school diploma.
By the power vested upon me by the Board of Regents as President of Central Mindanao University, I hereby confer upon you your respective diploma and certificate. Congratulations.